Hey guys, Lemonade here. Today I'm unboxing the iPhone 16 128GB in ultramarine, which is basically a lightish blue purple color. New features and upgrades from the 15 are going to be the action button instead of the ring or silent switch. The 16 comes with Apple Intelligence and the 15 doesn't. iPhone 16 gets the A18 chip, but the 15 gets the A16 Bionic, each with 6 cores CPU, 5 cores GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. iPhone 16 comes with camera control, and it can take macro photos, and it's capable of visual intelligence. 16 comes with 22 hours of battery life, while the 15 comes with 20 hours. And with MagSafe, the 16 can charge at 25 watts, while the 15 can only charge at 15 watts. Let's get into the unboxing.
Alright, looking at the box here, it's pretty standard for iPhone with the logos on the sides. Here are the first peels. And here's the iPhone itself, with a beautiful matte finish. I'm going to place it to the side for now. This is the braided USB-C to C cable, which is the same with the iPhone 15, as both phones charge with USB-C instead of the old Lightning connectors, released alongside the iPhone 5 back in 2012. Then the small pill-shaped pamphlets, one stating that there is no physical SIM card, only eSIM, another with the warranty information. Coming back to the centerpiece, I like how Apple put little icons for each button or control, even including the charging port at the bottom. Alright, here's the satisfying peel. And there we go. Let's turn it on.
And during setup, I did install a case just to make sure it was safe. Then continuing on, I set up my action button for focus.
Okay, so I've spent a few weeks with the iPhone 16, and I have enjoyed working with it. A feature I do find helpful is the action button, because if there's any action that I just want done really quickly, I can just push the button and it's done. But one feature that I find myself not using as often is camera control. I'm just so used to clicking the camera button at the bottom of the lock screen that I just haven't gotten into the habit of using camera control. And I haven't even used visual intelligence yet, but maybe that's just because there aren't many things around that I need to use it on, because mostly I just know what I'm looking at. So something that I really haven't been in the habit of using at all yet, but there is a possibility that could change. I do like the camera itself. It is a high quality camera, and I like how its default comes out as 24 megapixel photos, and how you can even bring it back up to 48 megapixels. And of course, because it is the newest model, it is going to be quick. It is a quick phone. Even as the base model, it really helps with editing sessions, even though my editing sessions aren't that long. I do use CapCut.
And I do edit shorts on my phone, and I edit long-form content on my desktop.
And it really just hasn't buffered, it hasn't glitched, it hasn't really done anything that's made me go, why is this happening? Obviously, the iOS is running smoothly. It's iOS 18, soon to be iOS 26. And I've been streaming music, browsing the internet, going through files, music, photos, videos, a lot of the basic things, and it's just taken it really well. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the iPhone 16. Don't forget to say bye to my pup, and I'll see you later.